Welcome everybody. My name is Lisa. Welcome to Pressure Crisp. Yes, we're baking cake today in the new Ninja SPEEDI. So I forgot mine out in Arizona, so whoever gets it, you're welcome. I was also at the store and I found this. This is hysterical. Look at this. We got Dolly Parton cake. So we're going to be making a Southern style coconut cake in the Ninja SPEEDI. So I'm going to go over everything that you need and as well as the cookware or the bakeware. We're using the Ninja round pan. You're going to need some Baker's Joy for that to non-stick it. I'm also going to do a little bit of flour just to make sure it doesn't stick. Now, according to Dolly, on her Dolly's favorite coconut cake, 1 package of the coconut cake mix, we're going to need 1 cup of milk, half a cup of melted butter, 4 eggs, 1 container of Dolly's frosting, and also 2 cups of coconut. You're also going to need 2 cups of water for the Ninja SPEEDI. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take my Baker's Joy and we're just going to spray the pan. So I'm also adding like 1 tablespoon of flour because I've had these cakes stick before when I didn't do that and just did the Baker's Joy. So I'm just going to tap the excess over a garbage can. So we're going to follow the directions on the box. So we're going to take the cake mix, put it right into a pan. It's an electric mixer. I don't feel like dragging it out, so I'm going to use this. So we're going to go ahead and add 4 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and half a cup of melted butter. Now we're just going to use a whisk. If you have an electric mixer, mix this for 2 minutes. Ah! Alright, so that's about 2 minutes. If you have an electric mixer, you make sure it's medium speed. Alright, I'm just tapping off the excess. Oh, that's good. I'm just going to take that and pour that right in here. Just leveling it out. So I just went out yesterday and purchased another Ninja SPEEDI because I forgot mine in Arizona. So this one is actually different in color and it also has 2 new functions that I'll go over with you at a later date. So we're going to open the top. Let's turn it sideways here because we're hitting the cabinet. So we're just going to make sure the square pan is in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and add 2 cups of water. We're going to add the tray in there. Yeah. And this is called the multi-purpose pan. So I'm just going to put that right in there. Close the lid. This is first bake, everybody. We're going to turn it on. It's already on the correct side. Rapid cooker. We're going to take it down to steam bake. 315, 17 minutes. And we're going to hit start. So the book says it's going to take like 20 minutes to come up to temperature. So we're looking at a good 30, 35, 40 minutes. So I'll be back in that amount of time. So we have 3 seconds left. All right, let's pop the top and see what we got. Oh, that's beautiful. Hot. Don't do what I do. So what I'm going to do right now is we're going to remove this from the Ninja SPEEDI. I'm going to let it rest in that pan for 10 minutes. We're going to take it out of that pan, put it on a wire rack to cool, and then I'll come back in a few hours. We're going to frost it, coconut it, and taste test it. So let me see if I can get that out because I don't know where my little thingies are. So I'm going to use 2 towels. So be careful. This is hot. Whew, that is hot. All right. Okay, I'm not sure if people want to see this, but I'm just going to show you how I'm going to flip it out of the pan. Oh, see, we stuck a bit. Alright, so we're just going to put this off to the side and we're going to let this cool for a few hours. So I'm going to have to stay in the front here. We're using this Dolly's creamy buttercream. Yikes. No, pressure. But let me do. Here's one. That's not perfect. It looks wrong there, but please go higher. Awesome. That's right. There's a nice side.